Hi, afternoon. I'm Kate from EverFocus Taiwan. Today I would like to share how to make a safety environment by using AI at the edge. If people know that EverFocus, may because that we have doing for the surveillance system for over 20 years. So EverFocus is a company many very familiar with how to processing the video streaming. But after year and year, we found it that our customer, they are no longer to satisfy only have the video streaming. They want to using those raw video streaming to do the advanced analytics. So we started to think how we can offer our client. So we found it that using the video streaming to do the artificial intelligence, the AI analytics is very powerful and very helpful for our client. So today I will study from marketing to share our past experience and also our latest technology for the video analytics. And we will focus on the general marketing. Actually, EverFocus have the two major marketing. One is for the general marketing, another is for the vehicle marketing. And today we will focus on the general marketing. And we would like to share how that EverFocus our video technology, how we created the Highway platform. Also, I would like to share our very important the VMS, the partner, the software partner Exxon to you. I will study to share with the software part because many important analytics are building from the Exxon itself. And Exxon is a Russia-based company, and they have for the video management system for many years. And they also have a many successful story. And today I will just focus part of their major AI functions. And the first one I would like to share is the behavior analytics. You can see from the video here. Exxon are able to doing the video to identify the skeleton. So you can see on the video here is the system identify its face, its bodies, or its length. Then how it can use on our video streaming. Here you can see. For example, if the scenario is in the bank, then the system finds there is one person quickly raising one hand. Then in the same time, there are other person who both raising their hands. So on this moment, the system will identify maybe this will be a bank robbers. So in certain kind of scenario, the system will, according to particular spot, then to identify it's what kind of situation. Here is another example in the bank, in the ATM machine room. So when the system identifies there is two persons, they crouch nearby the ATM machine. Then we will identify maybe this is a suspicion scenario. Then the system will alert to the control center. Maybe they will sending a security guy to check out what exactly happened. And it's not only can using for the bank. On this example, you can see there is a person lying on the floor. And if the system finds it is lying on the floor for certain times, and there is a moveless, this person are not moving, then we will let the system identify it's an emergency situation. Then this can apply maybe in near to the hospital or some certain areas that can helping the people to identify it. So that's the example for the human behavior analytics. What we can do for this one is not only for the identify the skeleton, but we are also to using for the people counting. You can see from the video, there are two entrances. then our Exxon system immediately to check how many persons are entered to this area. So what it can apply on the marketing? Because for now that we are still facing the challenge for the COVID-19, the virus. So many of the shopping mall or many of the retail store, they may still can open but have the limitation for how many people can enter the retail store. So this system will helping our client to counting how many people in the same time in this area, then sending to the alert. Then when maybe after the number under to their limitation, then it will be a green pass. For the Exxon software, it's not only can count it the percent, but it also able to count in the object. For example, this one is in the roadside park. Because in some city or some country, the parking they have the limitations. So Exxon software is no longer not only to counting how many cars are parking in this area, but also to calculating the parking time. If the time is exist, then the system will send in the alert. So that's another way for AI analytics to do on the video on the video parts. And the final one I would like to share is how the video streaming can apply for the smoking or fire detection. Because on some sensitive area like a forest or like some factory, their warehouse, they are very sensitive to the high temperature or the smoking, or even after that will becoming a fire. So it's very important when there is a smoking, then the video streaming can identify it. So that's what Exxon software can offer us. They identified in the earlier time, then sending the alert on the system. So the manager or the security guy see the video streaming, they can immediately receive the alert. So that's what we want to offer to our clients. We all know that for the surveillance system, it's basically every place or every building have this system. But besides recording the raw data, what else we can offer to them? We can offer to our client is using those data. We do the advanced video analytics. Then those are, we are talking about this for the software. And because Exxon, they focus on how they're developing the software, but how we working with them. Exxon that we created a platform which very suitable for running the Exxon software. Our focus, we have our own factory to manufacturing, then we design our own products. So you can see from this table, we're providing from the front end, like the various kinds of cameras. So client can choose according to their installing requirement. Then we also providing the major device, which you can install the AI software like Exxon, then the VMS system, then operating it, running all the data on our hardware platform. Then we also provided the integration for our clients, like we offer for the general marketing, we offer the Exxon software. Then for the transportation marketing, we provided the X-Fleet. We even able to customize the AI scenario according to our client requirement. Then those the completed solution, including the software and the hardware, it can apply in a different marketing. Here I would like to focus about on one of our hardware platform, which is the Soltered. This one is also passed for the Intel IoT Alliance solutions. For the Soltered, it's designed for the back-end system. So take an example, if you need a surveillance system, then you can install sorter, then inside running the Exxon software, you can do the daily report as the security system it should be due. Then in the same time, because inside the hardware platform, we equipped with the graphic card, and we also support it for the NVIDIA's the compute stick. So it have the stronger computing power to that you running the AI scenario, AI application on the same equipment. So you can have the one device doing the security system, then also doing the AI analytics. But if you consider that you already have the surveillance system, some client maybe like years ago they already have some like a video security system, but they still really want to have the one AI function for their installing place, then you can consider for our edge box. You can take it as a AI box. Inside it's Intel CPU power, running any software which basic on Intel system structure, it will be able to. So you can decide it according to your function, your hardware requirement to choose the model. Then both of our AI box is designed for the video streaming, so it's perfectly to running any like a video analytics on it. And because that Intel are time to time to release their new and latest CPU power, so we also provided a different product according to their Intel latest technologies. Like for this one, we are already supported to the 11th generation of the Intel CPU, and also equipped with the 5G network, because we know that many people that are using AI box because the IoT solution. So the network bandwidth is also their concern. So our new product will fit for the latest technology. On the final part, I would like to share some of our EverFocus successful stories. The first one you will see is our mail processing center we done it. It's a very classified project that we working with the Exxon software. You see they're using the Software 64 as our backend platform. And we're running the different kind of AI analytics for this project. Like because now it's in Taiwan, we are still have the COVID-19 limitation. The government says that they don't want to. People are frequently visited to the customer. So for our client, they want to keep that only their employees can enter to their buildings. So we're making a whitelist for their own employees. We're using is Exxon facial recognition technology. We are making all their employees' face as a database. And every time when they enter to the front door, the system will identify, oh, this person is the employee, so come inside. Or if this person is just a visitor, then the security guy will asking this visitor to leave their message, leave their contact information, then check if this person is necessary to enter this building. And besides, we are also using the license plate recognition for this project, because this project is for the mail processing center. So daily there will be the person delivery their mail or the package. So there is many of mail office car driving in and driving out. They want to know which car they are not on duty, so they can arrange their car. So we also using the license plate recognition for this project. And another solution that we offer to our art museum clients is they already have some of the existing surveillance system. but they want to upgrade or renew part of that. And every focus we done is that we are able to integrate with their existing system. Then for their new system, they can installing some software to operate there. So it's a very good project to show off that how EverFocus are able to integrate with clients' existing system, then bring our new system together operating in the same time. The final project I would like to share with you is we done it in the community. This one is a project that a client have the existing surveillance system, but they are fascinating about our AI technology. And but they don't want to renew the whole video system. So they just asking us to bring the AI box. Then inside the AI box is the video analytics to identify if there is some elder people or their child fell down nearby the community area, or there are some suspicious people who walking around this community, and they will be able to identify and sending the alert to our assistant. So basically, that's the all I want to share today. EverFocus is a company who focus on the video processing technology. We offer not only the software, but also the hardware. Basically, it's a total solution for our client. And we have a different project basically on our client requirements. We want to bring the new technology and share with our clients. Thank you.